Is Jira just a project management tool, or can it effectively serve as an IT service management tool? Well, today we'll delve into the capabilities of Jira Service Management in the ITSM landscape. IT service management is vital for organizations leveraging technology to deliver services. It focuses on managing and enhancing how technology meets customers and business needs. Jira Service Management is more than a project management tool. It's a comprehensive ITSM solution designed for optimizing IT service delivery. It covers service requests, downtime management, and team collaboration, essential for serving both internal and external customers. JSM is transforming IT team functions, enabling effective service request processes, improved collaboration, and timely service fulfillment. It empowers IT teams to provide comprehensive services, driving digital transformation across the organization. ITSM goes beyond tech support. It's about delivering technology as a service to enhance organizational performance and customer satisfaction, focusing on customer needs rather than just technology. A potential ITSM tool like Jira Service Management streamlines ITSM processes. Its features include service management, analytics, organizational governance, and time and asset management, addressing all of these modern IT challenges. Jira Service Management supports advanced workflows and processes for modern companies. It's ITIL compatible and offers flexibility for ITSM workflows, integrating with various agile methodologies and providing advanced insights and integrations. Jira Service Management versatility in ITSM, it's evident in its diverse application. So here are 8 ways you can put it to good use. You can use it for customizable ITSM solutions. Adapt Jira to fit specific business and customer needs, ensuring that your ITSM processes align seamlessly with your organizational goals. Another example, empowerment of IT and support teams. Utilize Jira's automation tools like JMWE and Helpdesk Plus to streamline resolution times, allowing teams to focus on critical tasks rather than repetitive ones. Third, incident management automation. Leverage Jira's powerful suite to prioritize and effectively respond to incidents, from minor issues to organizational-wide disruptions, enhancing responsiveness and efficiency. Then another example is enhanced problem and solution visibility. You can gain comprehensive insights into IT challenges with Jira, identifying and tracking ongoing fixes and reducing redundant efforts through improved cross-team visibility. Then in-depth IT asset management. You can use Jira Service Management to track IT assets throughout their lifecycle, including hardware and software, improving visibility, compliance, and cost management. Improved collaboration across departments. You can bridge the gap between isolated departments like IT, support, development, and engineering, ensuring cohesive service management across the organization. Elevating customer experience. You can provide a customer portal for easy service request submission and tracking, enhancing external customer satisfaction and streamlining the service process. And last but not least, for non-IT teams, extend Jira Service Management to other departments such as HR, facilities, and sales, allowing for consistent management of internal service desks and IT assets. Now, by leveraging Jira Service Management and our own Appfire innovative solutions, ITSM teams are equipped to face modern challenges, ensuring scalable, cost-effective, and high-quality IT services. So I hope this answers the question for you and you embrace the full potential of Jira for your ITSM needs. You can contact an Appfire partner to discover how Jira Service Management can redefine ITSM in your organization. You'll find a link down below. Give us a message and we'll help with your needs. Signing off for now, I'm Biro, and I'll see you in the next Appfire blog. Bye.